The gold melting process is a critical method for transforming raw gold into a usable form, involving several detailed steps. Initially, necessary materials such as gold flux, commonly borax or sodium carbonate, and a heat-resistant crucible are gathered. Safety gear, including heat-resistant gloves, goggles, and a face shield, is essential to protect against intense heat and potential fumes. The process begins by placing the gold and flux into the crucible. The flux serves to purify the gold by binding with impurities, facilitating their removal. A furnace or blowtorch is used to heat the crucible until the gold reaches its melting point of approximately 1064 degrees Celsius, 1047 degrees Fahrenheit. This step requires close monitoring to ensure the gold melts uniformly and impurities are effectively separated. Once the gold has melted into a liquid state, it is carefully poured into pre-prepared molds. These molds, which can be crafted from materials such as sand, graphite, or ceramic, shape the molten gold as it cools and solidifies. The precision of pouring is crucial to avoid spillage and ensure the gold takes the desired form. The molten gold is allowed to cool and harden within the molds. After solidification, the gold pieces are extracted from the molds. Depending on the requirements, further refinement may be necessary to achieve the desired purity and finish, which could involve additional melting and casting or polishing steps. Throughout the entire process, maintaining safety is of utmost importance, necessitating the consistent use of appropriate safety gear to protect from high temperatures and other potential hazards.